Hello, I'm Chef Deborah, and today I'm going to bake a chocolate chips cookies. And of course, this time nowadays we are staying at home, and it's time for us to make something for our family, some delicious chocolate chips cookies. It's very chewy and so yummy. And of course, by the use of Flora butter. So I have two variants of Flora butter here. One the buttery and one is the original. So this is a zero trans fat, and then have vitamins and omega-3 and 6. So it's very healthy. So come on, let's go. Let's start baking now. These are the ingredients. 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of chocolate chips, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and of course 250 grams of Flora butter original. Here's the procedure. Cream the butter with the sugar. Mix all together until creamy. Add the egg one at a time. Add vanilla. Add all the dry ingredients. Continue mixing until it became a cookie dough. And add the chocolate chips and mix until it's evenly distributed. Spray with the oil the baking tray and put the baking paper. Then scoop the cookie dough by the use of the ice cream scoop to get the same size of the cookies. Bake in a preheated oven at least 180 degrees for at least 10 to 12 minutes. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy baking with me.